Hello, what's up students? Welcome to Luminary Academy, and today I'm here with a new topic, that is how to convert a recurring decimal into P upon Q form. So let's start and let's see how to convert the recurring decimal. So before we start, I just want to tell you that what is recurring decimal. So generally we have seen that some numbers such as written as 545454, okay, they are repeating. If you have seen that 0.333333, they're recurring. Okay, so we need to convert this number into P upon Q form. That is the question. Okay, so let's start. So show that 3.142678 is a rational number. In the other words, express 3.142678 in the form of P upon Q. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to just put 3.142678, and we need to just remove this decimal, and then we need to put zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So this is the way where we convert this into a P upon Q form. So 3.142678 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can cut it if you want, but this is the way. Coming to the next question, question number 7, that is example 7 of your NCERT book of grade 9. Okay, so here it is written that 0.3333 is equals to 0.3 bar. Obviously it is recurring, so we can put a bar. Can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. So I already told you in the previous video, if you have seen my video, where I explain all the numbers, what is natural number, real number, irrational numbers, okay, integers. So here I also told that in the rational number we can write P upon Q, but Q should not be equal to 0, because if it happens like if P is 1 and Q is 0, so 1 upon 0 is not defined. That is why the reason they have mentioned that Q is not equal to 0. So what we need to do is here is you can assume that X is equals to 0.333 dash dash. This is the equation number 1. Okay, so we need to let it. Assume it means let it. Now if you can see that there is numbers are repeating and you have put that 0.3 bar, so only one digit having a bar after decimal. So what we need to do is, if there is a one decimal after the decimal, if there is one digit and there is only bar on one digit, okay, what you need to do is you need to multiply by 10. If suppose there is a bar of 0.54 and there is a bar here, so you will multiply by 100. So what I will do is multiply both side by 10. Okay, if you multiply both side by 10, so 10x is equals to 3.333 dash dash. This is the second equation. Now what you need to do is you need to subtract first from second, right students? So I hope it is simple. Till now it is easy. Now you need to subtract it, so I will write 10x minus x is equals to 3.333 dash dash minus 0.333 dash dash. Okay, so that is continuation. So this term will be cancelled with this term, so 3 minus 0 will be 3. Okay, and 10 minus 1 is 9x, right? So x will be equal to 3 by 9. So 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So the form of P upon Q is 1 by 3. So where P is 1 and Q is 3, right? So Q is not equal to 0, so hence it is true, right? So this is how we need to solve, correct? Now let's do the next question, example number 8 of your NCERT book. Okay, it is written that show that 1.272727 dash dash is equals to 1.27 bar. Convert can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. So we need to express the same process. So X is equals to 1.272727 and then dash dash. So it is first equation. Now how many numbers we have? Bars 2. Okay, so this was the case which I was talking about. So multiply both side by 100 here. Multiply both side by 100. ठीक है बच्चों, बहुत ही easy है. आपको बस यहाँ पर करना ये कि आपको डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट पे बार है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट करना है. एंड देन इफ इट इज़ बार ऑन 3 नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000, इफ इट इज़ ऑन 2 नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, इफ इट इज़ ऑन 1 नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. राइट. सो अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा, दोनों तरफ 100 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो इट विल बी 100x इज इक्वल्स टू 1.272727 multiply by 100. So what it will become? It will become 100x is equals to, now if you multiply by 100, it will be two decimal will be shifted here, so it is 127.272727, right, dash dash dash. So this is second equation. Now subtract, same thing, subtract first from second, right? So if we subtract, okay students, so if we subtract, what you will get? So 100x minus x will be equal to 127.2727 dash dash minus 1.2727 dash dash. Okay, so this term will be cancelled, this term and this term after decimal will be cancelled. So what is remaining is 127 minus 1, and that will be 99x, right? So x will be equal to 126 divided by 99, right? So this can be further cancelled out. If you want to cancel, you can cancel, but this is also the final answer, right? If because this is divisible by 3, so if you want to write, you can cancel it. So it will be, suppose it is 99 by 126, so you can cancel by 3. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, then 3 times 3, so it will be again it can be cancelled. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 times 4 is 12, then 1 so 14 upon 11 is your P upon Q form. Correct students? So it is quite easy. I hope you understand. So let's proceed to the next one. I hope that this is easy, you can do by yourself. So I am solving now. So this, take a screenshot so that you can solve it and practice it. Okay, so it is basically a easy question. You can solve example number 9 by yourself. So I am solving 1.3 exercise of your NCERT book of question number 3, where the question says that express the following in the terms of P upon Q form, where P and Q are the integer and Q is not equal to 0. So here again the same thing, x will be equal to 0.6 bar. This is wrong, it is basically 0.6 bar, right? So x is 0.6 bar. So can I write let x equals to 0.6666 dash dash, one first equation. Now there is a bar on only one digit, so multiply by 10, right, both side, right? Now here what we'll do is we'll multiply, it will become 10x is equals to 0.666 multiplied by 10. So this will become 10x is equals to 6.666 dash dash, and this will be second equation, right? Now you need to subtract, first from second, right? So this will become 10x minus x will be equals to 6.666 dash dash minus 0.666. so this whole term, this term and this term will be cancelled, so we need to just subtract it. So this will become 6 and this will become 9x. So x will be equal to 6 by 9, or you can subtract it to, you can cut it to the simplest form. So it is 2 by 3. So final answer is x is equals to 2 by 3. I hope student it is easy and you understand the concept of how to convert recurring decimal into P upon Q form. There is another question. This is somewhat different question. So here we can take again let x is equals to 0.47 bar. Now you can see students there is bar on only 7. Okay, so can I write it like this? X is equals to 0.47777 and dash dash first equation, right? Now you will multiply by 10 only, multiply both side by 10. Okay, so this will become 10x is equals to 4.777 dash 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 second equation, right? So subtract first from second, correct? So this will become 10x minus x, and this will become 4.777 bar dash 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 minus 0.4777 dash dash dash. Okay, so now if you see this number, from this number it will be 0, and from this number it will be 0, right? But 4.7 minus 0.4 will be cancelled, so this will become how much? It will become 4.3, right? And this will become 9x, correct, students? So it is easy. Now what you need to do is you need to convert x is equals to 4.3 divided by 9. So you can remove this decimal, this will become 43 by 90, right? So this is your final answer. I hope you understood the logic. Okay students, so now let's proceed to the next one. It is written that 0.001 bar. So what you can do is you can let x is equals to, again the same process, 0.1 bar. So you can write it as x is equals to 0.001 001 001 001. So the bar means they are repeating in the same process, okay, the same sequence. So you need to write in the same sequence, then multiply both side by 1000, right? So if you multiply both sides by 1000, it will be 1000x is equals to, now if you multiply by 1000, this will become 1.001 001 001 dash 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 second equation, right? Now subtract first from second. So when you subtract first from second, what will happen? It will be 1000x minus 1x is equals to 1.001 001 001 minus 0.001 001 right, dash dash dash. So this whole term will be cancelled with this whole term, so this will be equal to 1 minus 0, and this will be equal to 999x. So x will be equal to 1 upon 999, right? So this is your final answer. So I hope student you like the video, so keep watching, keep sharing with your friends, okay? Also student, if anybody want the PDF of this worksheet, okay, you can just comment in the video so that I can just provide you the link so that you can download with the solutions. So thank you, keep watching.